Leptospirosis concerns at Blue H0le attractions in St. Ann are being addressed.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Ministry of Health and the St. Ann Health Department are monitoring the Blue H0le attractions in St. Ann, following reports of leptospirosis cases associated with visits to the locations. Health officials said, following inspections of the attractions, not enough evidence exists to conclude that the locations in question were the source of leptospirosis in the cases reported. There is limited information available on the publicized cases, and the Ministry of Health is awaiting communication from official sources in the United States regarding any citizen who may have contracted the disease in Jamaica, the health official stated in a news release. The Ministry of Health said it is concerned about any possible risk to the public and has therefore conducted investigations and follow-up visits to the locations. During the initial visit to the attractions, the public health inspectors reviewed the services offered, food services operations, sanitation and sewage disposal, and other aspects of the operations. Breaches of public health standards were reportedly identified at some facilities, and the St. Ann Health Department had issued instructions to the management of the attractions to remedy these. A follow-up visit was conducted in late July, which indicated that several of the breaches were remedied, while others were still in progress, health officials stated. Prior to receiving the complaints, the health department had reportedly been monitoring the water quality on a monthly basis. Samples were also reportedly collected recently from different points in the vicinity of the Blue H0le attractions, which tested negative for the bacteria that causes the disease. Leptospirosis is an infectious disease caused by the bacteria known as Leptospira. It is transmitted through the urine of infected animals that enter the water or soil and survive for months. It is transmitted by rodents, dogs, farm animals, and horses. Animals and humans become infected through contact with water, food, or soil that contain the urine of the infected animals. The bacteria can enter the body through the skin or mucous membranes, especially if the skin is broken from a cut or scratch. Person-to-person transmission is rare. The disease causes a wide range of symptoms, and some persons have no symptoms at all. Leptospirosis occurs worldwide, but is most common in temperate or tropical climates. It is an occupational hazard for many people who work outdoors or with pets and animals. The disease is also associated with swimming, wading, kayaking, and rafting in contaminated lakes and rivers. The St. Ann Health Department said it will continue to maintain a presence at the Blue H0le attractions and along the course of the White River. Additionally, routine checks will be carried out at the various locations to ensure the health and safety of the public. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.